Michael, a Mercedes guy. We're working on a 123 bodied 240D that I've got all in pieces. I'm fixing everything, and this car is going to be for sale. In fact, there's already a shot up on YouTube, I think, with it running at only 101,000 miles. So this is a primo car. Starts right up without even using the glow plugs. Anyway, the blower motor for the heater does not function. So the first thing we're going to do is just pop off these little clips to access these screws. Now in later models, there's no screws here. We're pulling this off in order to get to the heater fan. Now I've done a heater fan regarding I think a 116, which requires more work. 123s are pretty easy. This panel out of the way, and the heater is right here. Here's the heater motor. Okay, I pulled off the pigtail for the motor, and we're going to do a test here. I've got the key on, I got the switch on for the blower, and we have electricity. So that tells me the blower motor needs replacing. With the pigtail off, I already tested it, motor doesn't work. So pull the pigtail, and you've got one vacuum line right here. It's nice to get out of the way. And then 8mm socket. To pull out these screws. Okay, I've got a replacement blower motor here. Now, to remove this, there were two 8mm headed screws that are on this side, one at the rear, and also a Phillips head screw right here. So we're going to install this. Now you want to be careful not to be grabbing this squirrel cage, because you can break these vanes off. And when you put it up in here, you want to gently wiggle it around to get it in place. And I like using a driver for my socket. It makes life just a little easier. You don't want to tighten the screws all the way until you have every screw in. So once you plug it in, I got it all installed, tighten the screws. You don't want to leave it like this, or in miles going down the road, this plug will come out. You want to snap this up into the little clips here that are part of the plastic housing. That way it will stay in place. In case these clips are broken, you want to take a small drill and drill a hole right through here so you can put a zip tie in place. You don't want to ever leave this just like that, because in miles it will come unplugged. So get your wire back in, reclip your vacuum line, and then you can put the panel back in. It's easy. And you've got a heater fan that now works.